doesn't
not all over there.
Now then, turn it this way. Now here. Now here. Oh, it's hard. Now get it right here.
And it's still covered in snow. It's frozen, everything.
Oh, looky there.
And the sand traps, I don't know where they are.
They're not doing anything but something, because that's the road.
Looky there. What is it? What is that? Here, she said.
Here, open it
What
up.
is that here?
Paul,
Oh,
get something
wow.
to open it with. Get something to open it with.
Here, I got something.
Here, Paul's gonna help you.
Let Paul help you. Want to open it? Let's open it.
With your little fingers.
Okay, let's go like this.
It's like, move out of my way.
Now, look, it's there.
We have to put it together.
You gotta be put together, baby. Look. See? Let's go eat. Wanna eat? Let's go eat.
Let's get some food, Remy.
Remy, let's go eat. You want to go eat something? Mom, don't. The parts are going to come out.
Let's go eat.
Just give him that part.
Here. Play with that.
Remy.
He's like, I'm going to open all the presents.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat first, Remy.
Come on, baby. You wanna go bite? Get some bite to eat? Huh? Is that his?
It has his name on it right there.
Well, I don't have my glasses on.
He's like, move that. I can't.
Look at my camera so I can take this picture. Okay, sweetie.
Hold on, Remy. Remy.
Baby, will you take a picture with my camera?
He's already
This paper's
started.
easier.
He's like-
You have to, babe, because this is his big present from us.
Oh, yeah.
Come over here. You're so gentle.
Are you exhausted? You're not?
Did you have to pee really bad?
Well, like I said, put some beer in there because he'll need some.
Mom, will you turn it over? That's upside down.
Well, don't
Don't what?
video my butt. Here, baby. Look.
No, there ain't no lie though. In Midwest City where the highways curve, you'd get on it and you'd slide down through it. Yeah.
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 Those big papers sliding so bad they couldn't even go.
Here, right here.
Uh-oh, Remy.
We're leaving that at Ashley Major's house.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually just said she needed some toys at her house.
I
I did?
Oh, look at that.
I don't think He I said did. he needed some balls and toys at your house. So when I said he needs balls because he likes to always get mine.
Well,
Here,
the
baby,
thing
you
is, the
want to...
snow's off of it.
Like, well, I'm done.
With ice now.
You're really
Melted
full. We need to
down
change
the
you real
bottom.
quick. Just get real quick.
Hey,
you want to eat? Oh, come on.
Open everything.
Let's change your pants.